Our PERS chainless pedaling system, also called serial hybrid drive, is a system that simply converts human power into electricity that gets you moving. And if I want to adjust the energy level, I can boost it thanks to the presence of a battery. In other words, it's a brand new transmission for e-bikes. It's easy and fun to use, as the bikes adapts to you in real time. You don't have any more gear shifting. We have a regenerative braking that is like a coaster brake, so it's both enjoyable and fun to use. We have an embedded IoT box in the PERS that enables you to unlock features with software updates. So locking, unlocking your bike. There you go. The PERS is actually 3.5 kilograms. It's quite of a tiny, versatile pieces of hardware. The great thing is that it allows manufacturers many more geometries. We open really new horizon in that sense. And that's why we have many people in the industry, from two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheelers, coming and interested to get rid of the chain. What about you?